Hi everyone, Lauren Macias Cervantes with TXDOT today in Horizon. If you drive in this area, I'm at the intersection of Horizon and Darrington. Get ready for some changes. Changes will start Sunday, September 29th. Expect a full closure of the Horizon-Darrington intersection from 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. Crews will begin removing signals on westbound Horizon. They'll also be striping and moving barrier for a new configuration. It is a very busy intersection. Drivers will need to plan extra travel time and follow detours. Traffic in all directions will be impacted. There will be business access. Now, once the closure lifts, southbound traffic on Darrington will be down to one lane. You can see medians have already been demolished and replaced by new pavement. A second full closure of the intersection is scheduled for Thursday, October 3rd, from 6 p.m. to noon Friday to continue the work. Once that closure lifts, traffic northbound on Darrington will be shifted southbound and will be down to one lane. Anticipated completion for that change is October 11th. A few weeks of normal traffic flow and minor closures for signal preparation. Then the project will jump into Phase 2, where westbound traffic will be on the new pavement. This is all in preparation for the widening of Horizon and reconstruction of Darrington. A view from above illustrates the need for all the changes. Crews are realigning and reconstructing the intersection. The end result? 3 lanes in each direction with medians, improved drainage, and an upgraded intersection. Configuration changes in this area will be frequent and will continue until mid-October. If you're coming into this area, please plan ahead. Until next time, safe travels. Hi everyone, Lauren Macias Cervantes with TXDOT today on our Horizon Darrington reconstruction project where big changes are coming up. The first changes drivers will see start Tuesday, September 3rd and last for 2 weeks. From 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., crews will be working on median demolition on Darrington and Horizon between City Hall and the Speedway. That work needs to happen so crews can connect the future westbound main lanes. An aerial view gives you a snapshot of the 2 paved areas. Watch for inside lane closures as well. Work will also begin on temporary signals at the busy intersection. Plan extra travel time as there will be lane closures east and westbound on Horizon and extra stoppage time while crews start setting up wire and signal heads on temporary poles. This is all in preparation for the widening of Horizon and reconstruction of Darrington. As the work progresses, crews will work day and night in phases to complete milling, dirt work, drainage, and paving. The end result? 3 lanes in each direction with medians, improved drainage, and an upgraded intersection. Now from September 29th through the end of October, watch for frequent changes in configuration in this area. Watch for crews, signs, detours, and don't drive distracted. Until next time, safe travels.